friends here and draw a surfboard.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're going to draw our surfboard stuck in the sand or standing in the sand. So let's draw a little bumpy line right here in the middle of our paper, but towards the bottom. Yes, and then we're going to draw an imaginary line straight up from the middle of that bumpy line, and we're going to add a guide point. Yes. Then we're going to start at the guide point, and we're going to draw a curve that comes out, and then we're going to curve back in to the sand. And then we're going to start up here at the guide point again, and we're going to try to draw that same curve to match, but going the other direction on the other side. There's our surfboard. That's an awesome shape.
Thank you.
Pretty simple too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't too complicated. Now we need to draw the rest of the sand. Let's draw a curve that comes out here. And then we can draw a curve that's in the same place, but on the other side over here. What should we draw next?
Palm trees.
Palm trees. That would be really cool. Okay, let's draw a curve coming out of the sand. And then we're going to draw a curve next to it coming back into the sand. And then let's draw the palm leaves. We're going to draw it looks like a surfboard. It's going to be a small surfboard for a palm leaf. Let's draw another one, but go in the other direction. Yeah, let's add 2 more palm leaves coming out of the top. And I'm going to go a little faster because we're just repeating the same steps. And we could also draw little coconuts inside too.
Dot.
A little coconut face too. Let's repeat all of the same steps for another palm tree on the other side. I'm going to draw it coming out but curving this way. Then I'm going to draw it curving back into the sand. Or you're going to run out of space on that side. That's okay. You can imagine it just going off the paper, and not on the table though. Then we're gonna draw those leaves, the surfboard leaves coming out. Yeah, you could just draw little lines, and then you could also draw the leaf coming out this way too. So we're going to draw it coming out this way, back in. I'm going kind of fast, so if our art friends need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right. Oh, we also need coconuts on this side. Let's also draw waves out here in the background. I'm going to draw a wavy line going behind the trees and also behind the surfboard and coming out to the side. What's our surfboard missing?
A funny face.
Yeah. Funny face. Let's draw that face. I'm going to draw a little smile in the middle and then 2 circles on each side. I'm drawing a happy face. Oh, and I like your eyes. You changed them.
Super happy face.
It's super happy. Is that the eyes that you drew?
Yeah.
They're closed. I'm going to draw a little highlight and then color in my circle or the big circle, but leave the little circle white.
I don't need that because mine is closed.
Yeah. Now you could add even more designs to your surfboard. You could change the design. It doesn't have to be the same as ours. But I think we should color our drawings next. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our surfboards, and I especially love your design. That's really cool. I like the zigzags and the purple and also the blue.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Ah, thanks. And I love that our 2 drawings don't look exactly the same. And that's because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, remember to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.